The course project. So every course I teach has a course project, and the reason why is you got to take action on what you learn, and you got to start using it so you get that positive feedback, because positive feedback is really important for staying motivated. And motivated is big in terms of what captures our attention. And it's actually a big problem in learning. 90% of books aren't read past the first chapter, and that's because we have so many distractions. There's so many different books and different things, especially technology, phone, computer, email, competing for our information. Unless something really sucks us in and really forces us to focus on it, we tend to shift, and we want to see new things, hear new things, and that comes at the expense of really deep learning. So the project in this course is to start using things immediately, even before you get through the entire course. So this course is split up into about 5-6 sections if you include the bonuses. And so as you go through each section, at minimum, just write down the name of each tool, each machine, and because you're going to need new login information for some of these courses or not courses, machines or websites, a good idea is to create a spreadsheet, and I use Google Spreadsheets for everything, so I suggest using that, and keep track of everything in there. Another important thing is if you're going to install these, some of these on your phone, some on your desktop, some on your laptop, and some of them are going to be bookmarks in your web browser. They're going to be extensions. You have a lot of different places where you need to install things and create new things, and a lot of the power comes from having things on multiple devices. So no matter what device you're on, you can always use it. So when you create a spreadsheet, and what I do is anything that I install on my computers, I want to keep and have on all my computers, I put that in a spreadsheet, and then I have, if I need to install, I'll put the link to the website where you download it, and then any other notes there. So that's something you should be doing, because anytime you have to reinstall your operating system, or you get a new computer, or something goes wrong, or you have to get something from one computer to another, that's a time where a lot of these things just slip between the cracks and you lose them. So having a spreadsheet where everything is kept in one place is a really good idea. And same thing is with websites or that you need to log into, or anything that you need login information. Put that in a spreadsheet, or even better, keep it in LastPass, which is one of the tools that I'll be talking about, because that's really important. The more tools and different learning websites you have access to, the more burdensome it is to just remember all that login information. You shouldn't be using the same login password for every single site. So the only way to handle that is to be storing it all in one place. And that's why a spreadsheet is really good for that. But just have that one document. Anything that you want to try out or you want to use, put that in the spreadsheet. And then you can also give them ratings. So if there's certain ones that you want to do first, it can be really overwhelming to install a bunch of new stuff and then have all these options, all these menus, all these features, stuff to customize, try things out, make sure it works for you. You can't do that all at once. You're just going to get overwhelmed, and then you're going to drop the ball because it's just too much, and it's too much stress. So make sure that you're keeping some sort of document, ideally a spreadsheet, so that you can keep track of all this stuff and make sure you get the most out of this course.